Workout number 2, we're gonna start with our broomstick. I'm gonna go up and overs. Gonna keep those elbows nice and straight. Here you go, and then right into side bends. And then next up, we got rotations. Next up, we're gonna go into a prayer stretch. Stretching those lats out. There we go. And now we're gonna go into overhead squats. Keeping those elbows straight overhead. Gonna get nice and low. Now we got some hip hinging. So keep that bar behind our back. I'm gonna stick our butt back, keeping that nice flat back. You're gonna feel in the back of your legs. Right into getting rid of that stick. I'm gonna go tibialis races on walls. So gonna keep the weight on your heels, trying to point your toes up to your face. Feeling the front of your tibia. Then we're gonna get on the wall. We're gonna do a wall thoracic opener. Gonna keep that whatever arm is closest to the wall, tight to the wall with the hip. And you're gonna make sure you rotate that whole body, open up your chest and spine, and then come back in. And then we're gonna move on into a bear. We're gonna do it on both sides. We're gonna do bear crawl holds. Right there, holding it for time. And then we're gonna go into switching the opposite direction. We're gonna go tabletops. And we're gonna hold it for time, or we're gonna move up and down, one or the two. There you go. All right, so that's our warm up, and then we're gonna go into our strength 1, and it's gonna be Bulgarians. Bulgarians. We're gonna do it off a couch, of anything that is about knee height or a little bit less if you needed to. Perfect right there. Then we're gonna go into shoulder presses. Shoulder presses with a band. Overhead and punch. Nice. And then we're gonna go into, with the same band or a different band, pull aparts. Keeping your hands facing up. We're gonna go all the way down to your chest, trying to feel that between your shoulder blades. And then after that, we're gonna go bicep curls with the band. Stepping on your band, and let's pull them up. If you wanna make it a little bit harder, you can always grab it a little bit lower on the band and step out wider. All right, now strength 2 is gonna be step ups. So leaning forward, you can do that in a staircase, or if you have a small stool, right there, or a couch. And then we're gonna go into a side plank with a row. Perfect. There you go. We're gonna keep that nice upright plank on the side. I'm gonna pull back with our band. Then we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go into a no money. Tessie's looking to play. There you go, keeping those elbows real tight by your shoulders, by your rib cage. Nice, and then we're gonna go into a chest press. We're gonna be standing. Oh, yep. We're gonna be facing up on the ground, and we're gonna press nice and high. Excellent. And that's the end of the workout.